I think Congressman Kiko Barzaga was one person who had also mentioned about, well, two things, if I'm not mistaken, sir. Yung personal allowance increase,
Oh,
that
yeah.
video,
Yeah.
if the public saw that, wherein you have the former speaker and the former rather Speaker Martin Romualdez at that time, Appropriations Committee Chair Zaldico at that time, and si Majo leader nandun din po, at nag-video call po sila, kausap po kayo, pinakita pa, nakita po
Yan,
talagang si General Bronner po yun, at basically pinag-uusapan po yung personal allowance increase. Is that suspect? Meron ho bang mali doon dahil nagmumukhang parang nabigyan ata kayo ng extra, special,
Oo, ganito
to
yun.
keep loyal?
Yeah, ganito yun, Ma'am Pinky. First of all, it is not a personal allowance. It is the subsistence allowance of all the soldiers. Nung pong kasing 2023, yung ating Pangulo, tinanong niya ako, how can we help our soldiers? Sabi ko, sir, probably we can increase the subsistence allowance of our soldiers. Kasi yung 150 pesos kada araw para sa pagkain po ng ating mga sundalo, hindi na sapat yun. So sabi ko, maybe we can increase it. So, to how much? And then nagsabi lang ako, 350, sir, 350. And then when we computed yung cost ng mga pagkain ngayon and the calorie requirement ng mga sundalo, 380 plus yung requirement po namin. So, renound off natin to 350. And then, of course, dadaan ito sa Kongreso dahil sila po yung magbabudget. At yun nga po, na pagbigyan tayo. And then, parang one time, nag-meeting siguro sila, they wanted to report to us, to the soldiers, the good news. And I remember it was even nearing Christmas. Kaya nung binalita sa amin, sabi ko, sir, thank you very much. Magandang Christmas gift ito para sa mga sundalo.
I actually saw that video. Yeah. Okay, so it is subsistence allowance from one na ipinagmalaki nila.
Yes.
Di ba?
Yes.
Yun General. Pero yung kanila bang pagmamalaki nun, was it somehow tantamount to, for example, someone like you and the soldiers to, you know, to stay loyal to them or to thank them because after all, galing po yan sa Kongreso na pinangunahan po nila?
Hindi po, no. Hindi po ibig sabihin na in-increase yung aming sweldo, talagang loyal na loyal na kami. Blind loyalty yung isusukli po namin. Hindi pong ganun, no. That is not the case. So, we believe that our soldiers deserve that increase in the subsistence allowance. In fact, for next year, dahil nag-increase na po yung sundalo itong taon na ito, next year, yung mga pulis at yung mga Coast Guard natin susunod naman.